Alright, hold on, everybody. Hold together. 10 seconds.
Oh shit! So now I'm gonna fly the drone to under this freaking bridge and over there. But like the problem is right now is that first of all I can use return to home because there's all over the tree over here, and the second I have to use the tripod mode and fly super slow in order to go over here. So I have to like really get careful with this. So let's see, here we go. Guys, that was actually a pretty epic fly, and if you guys can tell, today is the second day, and I think that fly is pretty good. The first time I actually used the tripod, I actually think the sensor active is helpful. Usually it doesn't do anything, so usually I just put in sports mode and that's it. That's why it just goes through over there. That's so crazy over there. That's cool. Sometimes I just can't photograph something like this because I don't have a long lens. But over here, I just can't do it. And the other side, I also want to maybe do some like drone shots maybe, so I can basically like get like I think drone shot, at least like drone cinematography, like drone photography, whatever. But it just doesn't work because the drone doesn't really fly over here. The sensor just kind of like, okay, there's like everything over here, like I can't even move, and they just kind of like I can't even control it. If I switch it to sports mode, that's kind of like a little bit, you know, like it's a little bit dangerous. And oh my god, this is so tired. As you guys can tell, I'm almost there right now, and finally I made it to behind me. I thought it's gonna be bigger, but like it's so freaking small. I just can't hold it anymore. So freaking tired. Oh, let's just shoot some B-roll. I guess I can create some drone shot, but I don't know if it's gonna be is it working or no. But so let's see what's going on, what's gonna look like. So here we go. Alright, you guys have no idea how much I just walked and all the way up here and seeing this, but so now we're gonna go back, you know, and I just to make it simple and kind of like let you guys know how long I just go down there. So I'm gonna create like a time lapse using my iPhone with the Osmo, and I'll be trying to compress to like 10 seconds or something. Let's see, and let's talk about speed after. So I'll try to do a time lapse all the way down. So maybe I'm gonna use my iPhone to take some shots because I do see some interesting stuff. I didn't take it, so let's see. Here we go. Back in the city now, and finally back, and now I could probably go home and edit this video and hope I can get posted. Maybe not, because maybe I can post it right back to you guys, but it depends though, because posting here is so freaking hard. I have to like airdrop it to my phone and post it from there, because my laptop cannot just record, like cannot just get on like VPN and get on YouTube and stuff. So I have to post it from my phone, and I have to like because I have to go to the tag session and then on my laptop, and then like send all back in my phone. So like I'm gonna add it like afterwards in the Writing Studio. If you guys know, like if you guys use the YouTube thing, like YouTube Studio app, or like posting video on your phone, you know like what I'm talking about. So hope they fix it real quick. Yeah, so I don't have to post it like this. Like just maybe the ExpressVPN should just fix their internet, and maybe next time I came back I can just use my laptop to like connect it to YouTube. So that's the thing. So now we're heading back home. Alright guys, now I'm back, and yeah, back home already, and I switched out my so this is the lens I was using all the time, you know, like when I used the USR, because this is a full frame lens. It's 16-35 f2.8, like a lot of people use it. I know Peter McKenna used it, a lot of people use it. Now I kind of switch it to this APS-C lens because this lens is at 4.5 and it's 10-18, which is equivalent to 16-35 millimeter. Which is equivalent to 16-35 millimeter. And one thing, I don't use this lens anymore because it doesn't have the first thing is it doesn't have the image stabilization in the camera, and second is it's so freaking heavy. Like, and this camera over here, the only difference between them is at 4.5 instead of f2.8, so it's a lot worse compared to like a low light camera. That's like only one thing, like that's really bad, but like overall, oh, this camera, if I put on this lens, I can't record in B-roll anymore. So this is like, so I can't record in 1080p 60. That's so stupid. Like I can't record in 1080p 60. And I can't record in 720p 120. I can only record in 30 fps or HD. Like right now, it's HD it's 720p in 60, which is 2019. Like no one really used 720p anymore. So that's the only thing I'm happy about this lens overall. And right now, if you guys see a lot of grainy, not because of the f4.5, it's because it's really dark right now. I'm just. Now it's a lot better, isn't it? Alright. And this it's just becomes so light. So easy to use. Way much easier to use. Yes, it's so freaking light. Like, make you want to pick up the camera a lot more. So, starting to out back to the like daily vlogging and stuff. But the content gonna be so freaking crappy. But I'll still try to like daily vlogging, even though my life is like boring as hell. So that's why I'm switching on this like smaller lens, so I can take this camera everywhere from with me. Even if not, I can take a GoPro or my phone. So tomorrow, I just got back from the trip, but tomorrow we're actually gonna head out to another place. Did I show you guys that clip? I forgot I did record it or no, but like it's like a barbecue, but like I probably cannot record too much stuff, but like that's just a trip, so kind of like told you guys more about tomorrow. And now I'm gonna add in the video, have all my gear, you see it over here, all my gear on the ground, and we're gonna unpack it, edit in photo, post it on social media, Instagram and stuff, and edit in the video, and see if I can actually post it on YouTube, or should I just wait. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and peace.